Zero-based budgeting, how I save 50% of my income, even on a low salary. Alternative, save 50% of your income with zero-based budgeting. Budgeting for Beginners 2025. Ever wondered how to save 50% of your income, even if you're not earning a lot? It's not magic, it's zero-based budgeting. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I use it to take full control of my money every single month. Part 1. What is zero-based budgeting? Simple explanation. Every rupee dollar has a job. Income, expenses equals zero. Why it works better than traditional budgeting. Visual. Chart with 30,000 rupees income expenses allocated down to 0 rupees. Part 2. My 5-step method. 1. Know your exact income. 2. List all monthly expenses, fixed plus variable. 3. Assign every rupees a purpose, including savings and debt. 4. Adjust based on reality. 5. Track and review weekly visual, spreadsheet or Notion template animation. 1. Part 3. Real example, my 30,000 rupees budget: rent 6,000, food 4,000, bills 2,000, savings 8,000, emergency fund 3,000, personal 3,000, total 30,000, 0 left. Visual chart animation showing categories. 1. Part 4. Mistakes to avoid: not tracking spending, forgetting yearly expenses, not adjusting for real life. Wrap up and CTA. If you want a free zero-based budget template, check the link below. Comment what your biggest budgeting struggle is. I read every comment.